Imagine cruising through the city on a lit motors bike, where innovation meets freedom. This electric two-wheeler isn't just about getting from point A to B. It's a self-balancing marvel that keeps you upright, even at a standstill. With its sleek design and eco-friendly power, it's perfect for urban commuting. The enclosed cabin protects you from the elements while providing a smooth, quiet ride. Plus, with smart tech integrated into the dashboard, you can navigate effortlessly. It's not just a bike, it's a glimpse into the future of transportation, combining sustainability with style.